Hi, welcome. So in this video we'll discuss about like what is updates in Google My Business. So once you will log in Google My Business profile, you will see an option add update. When you click on add update, you can post three type of updates. The first one updates, the second one offer, the third one events. Let's go one by one. When you click on add updates, you can add the photo here and the description and the call to action button. So select photos, like if we select this photo and we just write a description like DMC course and a call to action button will be like buy, so the link will be here for the button. So we can choose one call to action from this order online. So just we will put our link and post it. Once we will post, the updates has been posted. You can see here this post is pending and should be publishing soon. Like Google My Business will verify this post if it's original, like nothing violate the guidelines of the Google My Business, so they will approve it. Now the offer section is there. In the offer section you can just generate an offer, like you can select the photos here and here you can just mention the offer title. That will be like flat 50 off. Now you can mention the start date, like when the offer will start. Suppose on the 7th August the offer will be start and it will going to 11th August. You can add more details here, like this offer is valid for one customer. You can add something details about the offer. The voucher code is also there. You can give the voucher code like flat 50 and here you can give the link. On that they can redeem the offer. Like just this will work as a coupon code and in this link they can redeem the offer. So once you will done with this, you have to click on the post. So the offer has been successfully posted. As you can see here, this post is pending. It will be reflected soon. Now the events is there. Suppose if your business or organization is organized any events, you can put post the event here. You can just select the photo. Once you will select the photo, you have to title, give the title of the event like the DMC event, and you can mention the event start date. Suppose this event start date is 7. The start time you can also mention. This is optional, you can mention or not. And it will, you can mention like event will go till 8 and time will be 2:30. Events details you can mention and add a book button. So you can give the link for a particular page on that the event details are there. So from the Google My Business profile, the people can go to this and after that you can post it. Suppose it is asking for the URL, so we can book the slot form for the event from this link. So we just paste the link and post it. Done. So we can see that this offer has been verified by the Google. This also verified by the Google, and this is currently under pending. So in the update section we can post just three type of update. One, the normal updates, in that we can discuss about our new product, our services, our some changes in the products. The second, offer is there. In that we can run the short campaign offer, like we can run a campaign. From that we can attract more kind of the sales. We can post the events, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.